Hello guys and welcome to Tech Me More. In this video, I'm gonna tell you how to create WhatsApp hang message. Okay, so using this method, you can crash someone's phone with WhatsApp messages. Alright, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to Tech Me More for more videos. So let's begin. First of all, just open any web browser app and in the search bar type apkpure.com and hit enter. Now in the search bar, search for LABALABI for WhatsApp and press enter. Alright, now you need to download this app. Just tap on it and now simply click on download APK file. Alright, so click OK and your download will start. Just wait for the download to complete. Alright, when the download is completed, simply tap on the APK file to install it. Click Allow. Now tap Install to install the app. When the app is installed, simply open it. Now you need to enable all the permissions to allow the app to work properly. So click on this button, go to Accessibility Setting. Now you have to find the app name here. If it's not on this screen, simply click on More Downloaded Services and there you go. Tap on it and enable this. Tap Allow. Alright. Now again open the app. Click OK and tap on this button, Allow display our other apps. Alright. Now before starting, we need to give one more permission to the app. So long tap on the app icon and click App Info. Now scroll down to Other Permissions and here you will see display pop-up windows while running in the background. Tap on it and allow this permission as well. Now we are all done setting up this app, and after giving all the permissions, you will see this floating icon on your screen. So now we simply need to go to the WhatsApp app and just go to the victim's conversation, and here we need to tap on this floating icon. So I will tap on it and you can see that this interface pops up. So in enter spam text field, simply enter any message here, just as alright. So click on this button and here you can select the amount of messages. So for example, I select 50. Now tap on send. So you can see that this app will now automatically keep sending the messages to the victim's phone with a very fast speed. So the more big number you select here, there are more chances of your victim's phone getting hanged or stuck. So it's basically a type of SMS bomber, and when you send messages in bulk numbers to someone's phone, their phone gets hanged or their phone gets stuck. Okay, so This is the way you can crash someone's WhatsApp. You can even crash any app in their phone. I hope you liked this video. If you liked it, please subscribe to Tech Me More YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest videos. Bye bye.